SCOTUS rules freight logistics companies can be sued for negligence of carriers that they select. This is Dr. David D. Schein for Business Law 101. Sean Montgomery sustained severe and permanent injuries after his tractor trailer was struck by a truck driven by Valera Mohena, who was driving a load of plastic pots through Illinois for Carib Transport, a motor carrier. C.H. Robinson Worldwide, a transportation broker, had coordinated the shipment. Montgomery sued all of the defendants in the federal district court and alleged that Robinson was liable for his injuries because it negligently hired Valera Mohena and Carib Transport, his employer. Montgomery claimed that C.H. Robinson knew or should have known from Carib Transport's safety rating that hiring it to transport goods was reasonably likely to result in crashes that would injure others. The trial court held that the Federal Aviation Administration Authorization Act expressly preempted Montgomery's negligent hiring claim against the Robinson Company. The court further held that the claim did not fall within the federal law safety exception, and that safety exception reads this way: shall not restrict the safety regulatory authority of a state with respect to motor vehicles. In turn, the Seventh Circuit Court of Appeals affirmed, and SCOTUS granted review. The question to resolve was whether the safety exception permits negligent hiring claims against brokers like Robinson that coordinate shipments in the transportation industry. SCOTUS ruled 9-0 that a claim that one company negligently hired another to transport goods is not preempted by the federal law because states retain their authority to regulate safety with respect to motor vehicles under the Act. SCOTUS went on to rule that even if the first option were not true, that so-called safety exception would allow the state courts to get involved. Therefore, Mr. Montgomery will get his chance to pursue the freight forwarder in state court. Heard about an interesting case? Let us know. We might cover it on a future episode. Want to hear one of our episodes again? Be sure to check out the best of Business Law 101 on YouTube at Dr. Dave Saves America. This is Dr. David D. Schein for Business Law 101. Tune in again.